Hi there, beautiful person. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nddy, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve this beautiful head wrap style that you can rock to absolutely anywhere and slay. Okay, so I'm going to be using my head wrap. Okay, one of my head wraps. You can use any one, any choice of yours, any design. I'm going to be folding that into three because it is large. Okay, the number of times you fold your head wrap depends on how large or how small the head wrap is. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and put your afro or your hair in a puff or a bun, depending on the hair that you are rocking at the moment. Okay, if it's braids, whatever, you're going to have to put it into a bun. I have a video where I show you how to achieve a beautiful afro puff. You can check it out in my channel. I will leave it in the description box below. So you crisscross your head wrap and then fold it and wrap it around your bun or your puff, just like this, and you tuck it in. Make sure that it is secure when you tuck it in. If it doesn't feel secure, you can always go ahead and use bobby pins to put it in place, but I did not feel the need to. And then you are also going to use your hands and shape your afro puff to your liking, your hands and your afro pick. I use an afro pick to shape my hair. Sometimes I use my hands and pick it out to look bigger or to make it bigger. And yeah, and you can also adjust the head wrap to your liking. Adjust it, tuck it in where necessary, and you can also lift up the front to reveal a little bit of baby hairs to give the look a more sleek look. Here I'm using my Eco Styler olive oil to lay my baby hairs and just give this style a more sleek, beautiful look. And then you can tell me that I do not slay. I think I look absolutely gorgeous. I look beautiful. And I'm sure that this hairstyle or this head wrap style would look amazing on YouTube. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you are going to try this out, or if you've done this style before, or if you have done it, go let me know where you rocked it to, if you loved it. I absolutely think this is very beautiful. You can spice this up with adding any hair accessories to your hair if you see fit. So yeah. And again, I apologize for my hair being out of frame. I film with my phone and I use my rear camera, and because of that, I tend to not know what is going on until I watch the video afterwards. So because of that, I take measures to make sure that I try different angles and positions to make sure that my hair fits in the frame, so that you can see what the entire hairstyle looks like. So yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, you guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. And please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Bye bye, guys. I'll see you in my next video.